Guys, this video is gonna be a skit. Man, whoa, this is a fidget club. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's my drawing. How come I got to Man, everyone in this place have some good fidgets. Oh my god, this girl has so many. This cool puppet I need. Help! Oh my god, she had all the puppets. Man, I wish I had a simple dimple. Hey, ma'am. Oh, hello. Okay. Do you have any fidgets? Yeah, I, not really, but I'll go try to find some. Well, can you give me, can I offer? Yeah, sure. What do you have on offer? I don't really have anything to offer, but what is your dream fidget? American Simple Dimple. Okay. I'll go find, can you go find it? Yeah, sure. What's that? Oh my god, guys, it's a Simple Dimple. What kind of, okay. It's the girl's dream. I have to go trade this to her. Oh, can you also make sure it's a keychain? Oh my god, I'll give you these other poppets. Deal. Thank you. You're welcome. Whoa, guys, I just got this Among Us plushie. You can sleep with it. Well, let's see what this looks. Wow. What else? Oh my god, I got this unicorn poppet. Nice. Whoa, this pop's so good. And when you pop it, this side is so better. My dream poppet. I am a boy, and this color looks like a girl color, but really it's the Godzilla from Hong Kong. Man, this side is really hard. And the poppets are too small. And don't worry, guys, I got this at Ocean City. As you saw in the short. I was in my hotel in Ocean City. There, I also got this, and the octopus from my mom. And I got that. Oh my god, this is my dream fidget. I'm never gonna trade it. There. What else did I get? Oh, I got this French fry poppet. Nice. I got an Among Us poppet. Yes, this is my dream fidget. I also got a burger. Wait, why is there... Oh my god, there's some blue stuff. Check over here. Oh my god, there's even... ma'am? Love this poppet. Oh, yeah, sir? Yes, sir? Why... When I look at my poppet, it has some blue stains even on this side. Oh my god, I didn't see that. I'm so sorry. It has to be Sarah. Who's your name? My name is Natara, and she's Sarah, and she keeps ruining this poppet. But that's not my fault. Sorry, that was Natara's fault. Well, I'm gonna go give her a poppet. Well, her dream poppet's like a simple nipple, and I have it. She likes this one. But her really most poppet is a unicorn poppet. I have a unicorn poppet, and I don't really like it. Oh, okay. Well, do you want to become friends? Yeah, sure. Man, I like this dimple. I'm gonna go trade it. Okay. Trading dimple once or twice? Me. Okay. I got this Among Us pop. Deal. No trade backs. You don't deserve it. Hey! Oh my god, I can't believe I just scammed her. Hey, look what I got. Oh my god, that's my dream fidget. Wait, you have one as well. Oh yeah, I do. And I got one for me as well. Nice. Alrighty, but I have to go home now. Alright, well, can I see your phone number? Well, sure, we can call each other sometimes. Okay, see ya. Alright, bye. Man, that was a good... Oh my god, this is Natara. Natara is down there. This is Layla's Simple Dimple. Natara left. Okay, I am a boy. I'm not gonna date her because she's a girl, but maybe we'll get along. Whoa, this is my dream Simple Dimple. Has anyone seen my simple dimple? Oh shoot. Hey, have you seen my dimple? No. I just have this Poppet and this Among Us plushie and all these Poppets. What's wrong? I've been looking for a unicorn Poppet, the green one. It looks like this. And I have this simple dimple. Oh, you found it? Yeah. Can I trade that? Yeah, sure. I guess I don't really like it. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're joking. Hey! I'm leaving. I'm gonna go buy my own. Yes. Wow, I can't believe I just scanned her. Man, I wish the colors to this burger Papa was okay, because it looks terrible. I mean, the Papa's so good as it is. Man, I love this fidget. And I love this Poppet. Like, come on, guys. Look, it's popped so good. See? Here, can you hear it? Look. Hear this. Too good. My dream Poppet. This is the best Poppet ever. I got a french fry. I got a simple dimple. Then we got this plushie. Sorry, it's hard to control with one hand. That was a good day. I mean, I just started off poor. I started off the game, the day with poor non-fidgets, and now I'm a queen. Disclaimer, a french fry Poppet, a burger Poppet, a Godzilla Poppet, simple dimple, green unicorn Poppet, Among Us plushie, Among Us Poppet, and a simple dimple, french fry Poppet, and a burger are legendary. I got all of them! And they're so legendary. And everyone, if you have one, hide, because you're going to be sacrificed a lot. Oh, God. We better leave the Fidget Hut. Well, let's start packing up. Hey, are these the legendary new Poppets? Yeah. What happened to your burger? Oh, it got a stain. Oh, sorry about that. No, it's fine. Are you leaving? Yeah, I don't want nobody to trade with me. Yeah, I have the same fidgets as well. So I'm leaving as well. Oh, you have the same fidgets as well? Yeah, I'm starting to pack up as well. Wait, Natara? Oh, Michael, you're back. Oh, hey, Natara. You want to go out sometime? Yeah, I kind of like you. Okay, me too. All right. All right, let's leave the fidget cut and go home. Do you want to go to my house? Yeah, my mom is such a good chef. Oh, hey, Michael. Hey, Mom. Oh, who's she? She's my new girlfriend. Oh, nice. You guys can go off and play with your new fidget. I heard you guys have the legendary. Yeah, we do. Man, Michael, what happened to your burger Poppet? Oh, Natara actually ruined it. Nah, man. I meant not Natara. Layla destroyed. Man. Well, at least it's fine, Mom. See, it's still at least a Poppet. Man, I can't. We better unpack. Yeah. Ugh. You got all your Poppets? Yep. Oh no. What happened? I left my simple dimple. Oh my god. I'll go get it. Okay. We're at the club. Oh, there it is. 2 minutes later. Whoa! Natara, what happened? You were running and you fell down and do you have a simple dimple? Yeah, it's here. I got it. I saw it at the strike. Oh my god, how long have I been sleeping? 10 days. What the beep? Woke up the birds. Good thing you're okay. Ow. You alright? Yeah, I'm just injured. Man, my leg hurts. Well, hey, did you bring any poppets? I brought all of them, basically, and my plushie. Because I knew it was going to... You're going to have to spend 10 years in... 10 years in the hospital. What the beep? Good thing you bring your poppets. Yep. Oh my god. Man, I need new poppets. Oh my god. These people have a lot. Is this the girl's bed on the bed in Natara's? No, this is mine, but I'm just bringing it to her because it's mine, so because she really loves my fidget. Oh my god. You don't want to see my fidget? I only have this simple dimple. Hey, I have it as well. Same with me. Oh man. And do you guys want to become besties? Which school are you at? College Gardens Elementary School. Same with me. Same with me, actually. Oh my god. What class are you in? Miss Avery and Miss Ashton. Me too. Me too. Oh my god. We can be friends. Let's be friends. Yeah. Man, you have some cool fidgets. My mom, I'm a bandit. Oh my god, no wonder you guys smell weird. Yeah, I know. Everyone bullies me. Here's some clothes that I got. I bought some people new clothes, but they didn't like it, so I need to give it to someone. Here you go. That's 1 billion clothes. Yep. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go shower and get ready. Okay. 10 minutes there. Man, what's she taking so long? Maybe she's just gonna comb her hair, because women kind of take a long time in the shower. For men, I take like 5 minutes. You take a 5-minute shower? Yep, I just reach my body. I'm like, whee! How do you get in? I jump in. I'm like, and I hit myself. And I always die. So why you not? Shut up. Okay. Oh, there she is. Hey, look, guys! Look what I found at inside the shower. What was that? Was that an owl? An owl? No, guys. Oh my god. Guys, I heard that in this hospital, hey, come back with my fidgets. We don't have any fidgets now. Great. Guys, I heard there's so much, your fidgets are all around the hospital. How do you know? I see them, but I heard there are a lot. Okay. Let's go try to find some more for you. Where my fidgets are? Yeah. Okay. Where could my fidget be? Oh my god. Oh great, it's my unicorn puppet. Here, Natar, here. Oh, thank you. What else? No. Look, Mr. Sus, Mr. Among Us. Okay, we found the Among Us puppet. What else can we find? My simple dimple. Yeah, that's mine. Oh, my French fry poppet. Wait, yeah, I'll see that for a while. Oops. My Among Us plushie. My French fry poppet. My Godzilla poppet. My burger. Okay. My simple dimple. It's been stolen. Oh, wait, it's down there. Oh, we got them. Hey, Layla. Thank you for the poppet. Oh, great. Now we gotta go find them. Now they're all downstairs. If I spot my little... Alright, I'm gonna start throwing them so I can find them. Because the video started to find them. Oh. That's for the others. Burger. simple, simple. Man, where's my fidget?
Muy bien, oigan, pues aquí nuestra historia cambia de rumbo. Alicia decidió darle el beneficio de la duda a Roberto. Exactamente, y aún cuando sabe que eso puede costarle la rivalidad